This is the Medicine Hat and District Chamber of Commerce with your daily COVID-19 update for April 3rd. We're pleased to announce the Canadian Business Resilience Network has been established in order to bring together a vast network of over 450 chambers and boards of trade and over 100 of Canada's leading business and industry associations in order to help Canada's business communities prepare, persevere, and ultimately prosper as we collectively face the COVID-19 pandemic. Supported by the Government of Canada, we will be executing a coordinated, business-led, inclusive campaign with the overarching goals of mitigating the impact of COVID-19 on our economy, our communities, and our citizens, and positioning business to help drive Canada's economic recovery. Through our coordinated campaign, we aim to provide tools and supports to business that will assist in their business continuity efforts from development to implementation. We'll provide a consistent and reliable flow of accurate, up-to-date, authoritative information and work closely with the government to ensure the right supports are in place and to be a conduit for information from the government to the business community, wherever you are. We want to instill confidence in Canadian businesses and our economy, so please stay tuned for the launch on Monday. The Prime Minister announced today an investment of $100 million to improve access to food for Canadians facing social, economic, and health impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Government of Canada will provide funding to national, regional, and local organizations across Canada that are able to reach people and communities experiencing food insecurity. Over the past week, more than 1,100 offers of support have poured in from private and non-profit organizations through the Government of Alberta's Bits and Pieces program. The offers include passenger and commercial vehicles, hotel rooms and mobile trailers, food and water services, hospital gowns, face masks, ventilators, and other personal protective equipment. The government also highlighted innovation in local manufacturing, with several Alberta distilleries offering sanitizer they produced and a drapery manufacturer offering medical garments and bedding that it produced. The Government of Alberta encourages individuals, private companies, and non-profit organizations who can offer products and services, including PPE, to visit the offers webpage at alberta.ca/COVID-19. The Medicine Hat College Continuing Studies program is offering a free online course called Coronavirus, an action plan for the workplace. This course will be free until April 30th and is designed to help employers and managers prepare and respond to exposure and illness caused by COVID-19. There are some additional webinars and resources on our website, and in addition, to help support workplaces during COVID-19, the Canadian Centre for Occupational Health and Safety has made its pandemic tools and resources free of charge. Chamber members and representatives will be joining the Minister of Economic Development in official languages for a town hall discussion on Monday, April 6th at 3:45, so we look forward to providing you further updates on April 6th. We want to encourage you to make sure you're starting to prepare now for some of the programs that have been announced and will be accepting applications in the coming days. Even though the Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy portal won't be open for about 3 weeks, the government is urging all employers to sign on for direct deposit. There's only about 50% of businesses currently on direct deposit with Revenue Canada right now, so by signing on, it's going to allow your business to get money that much more quickly with deposits made to your business account. Those organizations that do not qualify for the Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy may use the temporary wage subsidy of 10% of remuneration paid from March 18th to before June 20th, up to a maximum subsidy of $1,375 per employee and $25,000 per employer. This is applied through a reduction in remittances to government. So now's the time to really look at that because, of course, with month end and your remittances going through, you can now calculate that amount. This is calculated manually as the CRA will not automatically calculate the allowable subsidy. You'll continue deducting income tax, CPP, and EI contributions, and then the subsidy is calculated based on your remittance amount to the CRA. You cannot reduce your remittance of CPP or EI premiums, but you can start by reducing payroll remittances on the first remittance period that includes remuneration paid from March 18th to June 19th. The subsidy is considered a taxable income. Businesses can also apply for the work sharing program, and that's something that's available now, and you can apply through the Government of Canada website. And this will assist in avoiding layoffs where there's a temporary decrease in business activity beyond the control of the employer. The program does provide EI benefits to eligible employees who agree to reduce their normal working hours and share the available work while their employer recovers. A work share unit must reduce its hours of work by at least 10% to 60%, and the agreement must be at least 6 consecutive weeks long. So there's additional information on that program on our website. I'm sure many of you know the Canada Emergency Response Benefit will be open for applications on Monday, April 6th at canada.ca/coronavirus. This will provide temporary emergency income support to workers who have stopped working or without employment or self-employment income for reasons related to COVID-19. Now, you can't collect both the Canada Emergency Response Benefit and wage subsidies from your employer, so please know it's one or the other. Canadians who would generally be eligible for EI benefits will be applying for the CERB through Service Canada, and Canadians who would generally not be eligible for EI benefits will be directed to apply for the CERB through the CRA's My Account or CRA's automated toll-free line at 1-800-959-2019, which is a dedicated line for CERB applications. There is more information on our website, and they are taking in applications based on date of birth, so make sure that you take a look at that and update your online accounts so that you can ensure that you have that flow of funds as quickly as possible. We also want to encourage you to connect with your commercial account representative at your financial institution to set up some time to review your financials and get additional information on the Canada Emergency Business Account. This is a great interest-free option for businesses that had between $50,000 and $1 million in payroll in 2019. So make sure you're looking at the emergency financial assistance and other supports on our website, including those tax credits and deferral options, and make sure you're speaking with your business account manager at your bank, as well as an accountant, to get your financial house in order and to see what you're eligible for and what's going to work best for your business during this time. We hope you found these updates useful, and we encourage you to connect with us either online, through email, through our website, or through our social media feeds, and make sure you continue to share your stories with us and get clarification on the programs and supports that you need. Take care and have a great weekend.